Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Thursday, August the 3rd, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Well. The binary, 12 by 12, I believe, the second time. And we have also a killer Sudoku. So two regular puzzles. So I'm impressed by the publisher. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, what's the news of today? Well, I believe yesterday was the SuperMoon here. Yeah, the SuperMoon. The orbit of the moon is very close here to the Earth. So we have the SuperMoon. This I believe once or twice in a year, maybe 3 times. I do not know, but let me start with the puzzles. Alright, the binary puzzle, 12 by 12. Well, last time I need a lot of time for solving that puzzle, but no problem. Let me zoom this out. Okay. This will be number 6857. And I have not counted the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38 printed digits. And it's 12 by 12. It's very rare, these kind of puzzles, binary puzzle. I do not know if there's also 14 by 14. So let me know, 14 by 14 or 16 by 16 or 18 by 18, 20 by 20. I do not know. Let me know. Just place a comment below. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, wait. 12 by 12. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 6 1s and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 And now the ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Oh, double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. And double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Alright. Then I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So that box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and the sixth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I know between wait 1 2 3 4. Oh, I need to wait here. Well, now I'm stuck. 1 2. Oh, between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Well, we have here 5 O's. I cannot place number 6 there. Then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Well. And now. Let me see. Well, now I'm stuck. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. 3 4 5. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Well, here we have 5 O's. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. So here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, need a 6 here. How about here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. Well. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, I need to think here. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here also, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. And here also, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. Well, time for comparing, I believe. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not the line 1 of the rule, so this can be no. This should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. Well. Yeah, time for comparing. Let me see. 1 row, 2nd row, 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row, 6th row, 7 completed rows. Okay. These 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have here the O. Let me compare this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, empty box. 1 empty box, O, O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. And with O here, this should be a 1. Okay, now we can continue. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay. Here. 4 numbers, 4 digits. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, here and there. 5. Here. Well, I need to compare. Question is, do I need to compare the rows or the columns? Let me see. Here we have not the same. How about here? Not the same. So yeah, I cannot compare this row. How about the double O here? Here we have a double O. 1, the 1. No, not the same. How about these 2? No. So I need to compare the rows then. Which one? We have here a double 1. Let me check. Here double 1. This is not the same. Double 1. Okay, cannot compare this one. How about this one? 1001. Here we have a 1001. Yes, this row and that row. Yeah, all right. 11001100, empty box 11001111. So we need to switch these two digits. Yeah, okay, we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, in 15 minutes. Well. We solve it again. But with 2 times twice here, comparing. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, more of these kind of puzzles. Publisher 12 by 12, or maybe 14 by 14, or 16 by 16. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.